What is a good backup strategy for home? We have about 4 computers. What is a good strategy for making sure our data is always backed up?
I recommend a NAS drive for your home network and setting up network shares for each user to backup, manually or scheduled. Free backup software at various levels of sophistication is available in abundance. If you buy a NAS drive, such software is usually included. If you buy a pair of NAS drives, you can easily keep them synchronized as an additional safety layer. In addition, you may archive really important data, for example photos, videos, on DVDs. Or on Cranberry Diamond Disc, the 1000 tier DVD Smile.
And don't forget, whatever you use, make sure that you can recover the data. This does not mean check that a backup file is created, it means actually restoring the data to another machine and then using it.
Don't keep the backup on the same machine you are backing up. For home use, if there isn't that much, I would recommend using a service such as Dropbox or Mesh. If however you have a lot of stuff, get an external hard drive. Windows Backup is very good and you can take an entire image of your machine and store it on the drive. If however, you just want to do file level backups, take a look at Backup. A client of mine uses this and loves it. Personally, I just like doing it manually. Just remember to do it regularly. If however you have a hell of a lot of stuff, you may want to take a look at getting a NAS and bunging in a few hard drives and then centrally backing up all computers to that.
For my Macs and pieces I use Time Machine/Time Capsule, and backup on a schedule. In general, I'd recommend that, which involves as little thought and hassle as possible. I have an old cheap USB and NBSP 2.0 hard drive that I use to copy the contents of my time capsule to. The amount of data is small enough for now, and bring it to the office every Monday or so. I have off-site backups that cost almost nothing. I believe that for non-commercial use something like this is quite adequate.
Such qualified pieces as a